Hi, Sherry with Uneeda here. Let's talk sanding. What are the top 3 mistakes that we see hand sanding wise in the field? One of the first mistakes I always see is somebody tipping a sander. When you tip the sander, even if it's to get out something that you think you're just going to feather it, you're going to dig. It's going to dig and leave a divot. The second mistake I see a lot of is I see people wanting to press down on the sander really, really hard. You got to remember, this sander has 2 rotations. It's in a circle, but it's also got a counterbalance, so it has a random pattern. When you shove down on the sander, you actually stop the rotation. The other thing that I see is I see a lot of people that oversand. Swirls, once they start, you can't stop them, and you're going to have to go back and fix it, and it's extremely hard. You're going to have to work your way up through the grids. So I tell everybody, if you're sanding, be mindful of how long you spend with the 5-inch sander on the wood piece or the 6-inch sander on the wood piece. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at Uneeda. Thank you and have a good day.